Hello guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video, I will show you guys how to make 7 column pages on Notion. So, obviously, why is 7 columns pages? 7 columns page because commonly people use it for for weekly schedule because a week is 7 days. Obvious, very obvious. So, how to make 7 column pages? So, because if you create new here for on the page on the database, we can see only table view, which is not 7 pages. So you if you don't want make it as a database, you want to make it as a table. Also, it only three, and then if I click 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so it's very easy. It's very easy, just like that. You just go to the table, but this method I don't really like because it consider. I mean, the thing is the table because this table I saw you can see the line that I don't like it. So instead of creating a table, you can following my step. So first one, you just write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then just move these two. You just drag on this one, okay, and then you drag it into the very right on your first column, okay, and make it again on the 3, and then make it again on the 4, and then make it again on 5, and then the 6th, and then lastly the 7th. So now I have 7 columns without line, which is very powerful because I can make anything right here instead of just a table format. So here how to make 7 columns page on Notion. So don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye bye.